Hey guys, what's up? It's Zain. Real quick, wanted to make this video for all my people that feel like they're stuck in a rut, right? They feel like they have their life isn't going anywhere. They have criminal records. They've been convicted of misdemeanors or felonies. They've been charged with a lot of crimes, and it keeps happening to them, right? They keep getting charged with crimes over and over again, whether that's the similar crime or just a crime in general. They keep getting charged with crimes, or they're going through something else. Let's say they're going through like a divorce or something, right? And this is their second divorce, and they're just like, why does this keep happening to me? You're stuck in that cycle. Or even let's say you owe money to somebody and you got sued. You owe a judgment. You're owing money because you borrowed more than you could pay back, right? So I'm here to tell you that you can change. You can change your lifestyle. You can change your mindset to better yourself, to understand that even though this is happening to you, you can take little steps to improve yourself. So let's say you keep getting charged with drug offenses. And I understand you have that presumption you're innocent until proven guilty. You're not really guilty until the government proves its case. But what I want to say is, why does this keep happening to you? You know, if it happens like 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, there's a pattern. Maybe it's not you. And like I said, I understand the fact that you have the presumption of guilt. It could be because you're hanging around with bad friends. Something as little as that. You're hanging around with people who are setting you up, blaming it on you. You take the blame for it, and you're like, Zane, I have nothing to do with it this time. So you're stuck in that little trap, right? You're going in circles. This keeps happening to you. Even with child support, right, guys? You're behind on child support. That's a whole different cycle than a criminal cycle. You don't have enough money to pay child support. You're worried. You're avoiding child support. Next thing you know, you're back in court, and the judge is asking you why you haven't paid child support, right? So if you take little improvements and take little steps, like even paying a little bit of child support could help you out. Avoiding bad friends could help you out. Getting rid of all the bad things that are in your life and surrounding yourself with positive actions and positive behaviors can help you out. It's just little things that will help you guys. Little things. So you gotta be able to separate yourself from whatever it is that's causing you harm, and understand that taking small steps will lead to big results, right? Taking small steps will lead to big results, and it will take time. Change will take time. You know, you're a convicted felon. You got convicted of a felony, and then it happens. You know, you got convicted of a felony, or you got convicted of a misdemeanor, and now this is your second felony you picked up. This is your second misdemeanor you picked up, and you're worried now. You're like, what's gonna happen? Why does this keep happening to me? Figure out what it is you're doing wrong. Work towards improving yourself. Get an attorney. Get in touch with that attorney and figure out what you can do to improve yourself, right? Figure out what it is that you need to do to improve yourself. Because what's going to happen is, if you don't figure out what's going on, you're going to keep getting stuck in that cycle again and again and again and again, and you're going to feel like a victim. And I don't want that to happen to you. I don't want you to feel like a victim. So you got to learn to improve yourself, take small steps. There's no rush to take the biggest step ever. Just work on yourself, work towards being positive, and that's all you can do. And even if you do owe child support or whatnot, you gotta start making little bit of payments to pay it off, right? Pay it off, show up in court, do whatever it is you need to do. Let's say you owe money to somebody and you're scared, right? You're like, I can't pay this. Talk to the individual, figure out what it is you can do. Maybe they can set up a payment plan, right? Let's say it's a creditor, a credit card company you owe money to, and they're threatening to sue you. Talk to an attorney first, see what legal advice they can give you, and then sometimes that's all you need, just to talk to an attorney to help you with your situation, whatever adversary system you're going through. So that's all I can say, guys. Improve yourselves. Get out of that rut. It's going to take some time, especially if you're going through like fighting a big charge on your record. You got convicted of a felony before, and now you're afraid, and maybe you keep getting convicted. Maybe this keeps happening to you. So what I want you to do is just figure out what it is. If anything you take from this video, figure out what it is you need to improve and start improving yourself. All right, it's gonna take time, but you can do it. All right, that's all I wanted to say, guys. Peace.